tea, and you know what? It's gonna end up in another cooking video. I'm sorry for that. If you hate cooking videos, you did not subscribe to my channel for that. That's just kind of where things have ended up. Well, we are just having leftovers. We're having the Kahlua pork from the other night, but I'm also gonna make some, there's not enough for everybody to eat, so I'm gonna make some chicken katsu, which I've not made before, but it's my husband's favorite from Hawaii. So I'm gonna make that. And even, we went to 4 Asian markets yesterday, gathering all the things for like the pho and the egg rolls that I made. And I could not find katsu sauce anywhere. And apparently, according to the internet anyway, it's as easy as just going to Walmart. So I'm going to Walmart to find the katsu sauce, and then we're going to make some chicken katsu. It's very easy. I don't know why I've never tried to make it, but he's excited about it. But I need to find the sauce. Otherwise, I have to buy everything to make the sauce, and like, I don't want to do that. So, that's where we're headed. We're going to Walmart. And that's like, it's crazy to me that of all the Asian markets we went to yesterday, like we went to almost every Asian market in the El Paso area, and I couldn't find katsu sauce. So if Walmart has it, like, good on Walmart, because that was driving me crazy. Oh wait, I'm also gonna make some mac salad, like Hawaii style mac salad. I used to never like mac salad, and I think it's because like the non-Hawaii mac salad has like relish and stuff in it. I don't know. I never liked mac salad until I had like Hawaiian mac salad. So that's how I make my mac salad now. And everybody usually loves it. So I'll make that too. But yeah, I'm sorry. This is turning into a cooking. This is turning into a cooking channel. But hey, it's day 20. There's only 4 more days left before this is over. So I do think that I'm going to end up starting a cooking channel. So this one can go back to photography and be like mostly photography. And then I want to start like a personal, like vloggy cooking kind of channel. Just so that the people that are on this channel and they're not here for this can like stay. So, alright, headed to Walmart. I hope they have katsu sauce. Okay, so, that's it, right. They're damn liars, and there's no katsu sauce in all of Walmart. So, looks like we're making our own sauce. I looked up a recipe and grabbed a few extra things that I would need for it, but it seems like it's kind of just stuff I have at home already. The katsu sauce that we like the most was from L&L Drive-In. I think it's called Drive-In. I don't know, from L&L's in Hawaii. That was our favorite one, so I found a copycat recipe for that one. I'm a little annoyed, that's all. Like, I didn't want to make the sauce. I mean, hey, maybe the sauce will be like super delish, but I just wanted to buy a bottle of sauce. Like, I miss, like, as much as I love Mexican food, that's like all you can find here. Like, trying to find like ingredients for, somebody's car alarm's going off. Trying to find ingredients for something that's not Mexican food is a joke. Even at the Asian markets. I did find a lot of really cool stuff that I was excited about yesterday when we were shopping around, but I'm super annoyed at the not being able to find what I need at just like the grocery store. Like, I got spoiled. Like, you could just go to Walmart or like Safeway in Hawaii and find whatever you needed. Shoot, I made plenty of Mexican food in Hawaii just going to the regular grocery store. Like, they had just enough of everything. Here, they don't have anything. It's super annoying. You know what I'm going to do, though? I'm going to go to the commissary real fast and see if they have katsu sauce just before, like, I have to make my own. Only because they do have, like, a decent Asian section there. I think I already looked. If I'm being honest, I think I already looked, but I want to look again. Like, I want to use like my hawk eyes and look again. OMG, Becky, I found it. So here, you can see it. Oh my god, see, the sun is crazy. I don't know if you can see it. So I was looking for something else. Like I was looking for like some Kikkoman katsu sauce. And then I realized that it's also called tonkatsu sauce. So I started reading literally every label in there to see if it was different. Walmart definitely didn't have it. Like Walmart had like 18 different teriyaki sauces and soy sauces. But they didn't have this. But yay, commissary. Do you see it? See, tonkatsu sauce. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So, I mean, if it sucks, I can still make some, but because I already have everything to make it now. Very excited. So, all right, let's go home. I have to make the mac salad first because it has to sit in the fridge.